How to add multiple accounts on Spotify. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to add multiple accounts on your Spotify applications on your device. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and then search for Spotify. Once you open it, make sure your app is up to date. If not, you will get update button next to the app and you have to tap on it and update your applications to the latest version so that you can enjoy the latest features on it. Now after that, select the open button and open your app. Before adding multiple accounts, you first of all need to add to any existing accounts on your Spotify app. Then you have to select the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now on this left panel, select Add Account button. Then you'll be taken on this page where you can easily sign up for free or continue with Google, continue with Facebook and tap on Login button and then enter email or username of other applications, other account and then select the password as well. So let's do it. Once you have done that, select the login button and easily add another account as well on your Spotify app. So that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.